Hi guys, welcome to my video. Happy New Year's. I know I'm late. Better late than never, darling. Better late than never. So in today's video, I want to do all of my favorite things from 2022, the things that I absolutely could not live without. Let's see. I also wrote down notes, so let me find my notes. I have some things in front of me and then some things I'm gonna pop pictures up so you guys can see. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is my water flosser. Like this absolutely changed my oral care game, my oral hygiene game. This is game changer. When I can't get like food from out of my teeth with like a pick or floss, this with the water pressure that it has gets it out. When I floss my teeth, I can actually see the food in the sink. If you haven't got one, go to Walmart. They have them for $18.99 or $19, under 20 bucks. Go get you one. Absolutely amazing. It changed my oral care game like 10 notches. Plus it's affordable and attainable. I got these sunglasses from Fashion Nova during the spring of last year, and when I say I've worn these so many, I absolutely love them. I love the brown, I love the side of the frame with the gold. This does it for me. I think I paid like under $15 for this. The cost per wear with this, baby, I've worn it way more than 15 times. I got my cost per wear and I'm still wearing it. It looks absolutely amazing, and it also looks expensive. That's another thing that I like. It looks expensive. I'm not gonna say it's like the most durable, especially the handles right here, but for the look and the cost, honey, it's a steal. Absolutely love these glasses. I wore them out during 2023. These were like my go-to sunnies. So your girl is a Dossier girl. You can use my code for 10% off on Dossier website. Absolutely love Dossier. I got Dossier perfumes for me, and I also got Dossier perfumes for Babe. When I tell you, these perfumes are okay, they smell so good. You will literally get eaten up when you wear these. Like, these are delectable. You are a specialty item on the menu. You are a full course meal. So my favorite two is Woody Fraser and Fruity Neroli. And for Babe has a specific one. I can't remember the name, but I know it's a dupe for a Le Labo male perfume. That when he wears that, he can get it, okay? That perfume sticks to his skin, lasts all day. It smells amazing. And you can't talk about perfume and not talk about a perfume oil. So this is an Arabian perfume oil. It's kind of like a florally scent. This is super strong, so I would say if you're going to use this, use it with caution. But I absolutely love this, and also the packaging look absolutely amazing and cute. But this right here, for me on TikTok, she's like my auntie in my head, put me onto this oil, everything, and it lasts so long. The first time Babe smelled this, he said it smells like an old lady. Then the second time he smelled it, he said he liked it. After that, he's been in love with this, and I'm in love with it. This smells amazing. This layered with my Woody Fraser or my Fruity Neroli, match made in heaven, darling. Match made in heaven. Don't sleep on Dossier. I know a lot of people have been promoting them and stuff, but that's because the perfume hits. And I also heard that they have in some selected Walmart, so you guys can go to the Walmart and try smelling them or testing them out if you don't want to buy them online. But Dossier did the damn thing. They did the damn thing. Also, still on body stuff, my body conscious butter in lavender. This, and I don't have the other one. I have my Fenty body butter, and this. I think I'm gonna put this over my Fenty body butter, especially now that it's a bit colder. This smells absolutely amazing. This is from Lulus Holistic. This is made from shea butter and lavender. If you want to get eaten for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, baby, use this as your lotion. So you have your man coming over, you took a nice shower, you ready to do the do. You put on your body conscious butter, you layer it on with the Arabian oil in a few selected places, like behind the ear, in the cuff of the arms, in the cuff of the legs, at the back. And then you go in with a few mist of your fruity neroli or woody Fraser perfume, baby. You're gonna be devoured, okay? Devoured whole. And everything I just told you guys is affordable. Affordable, man. Yeah, very. So let's get into makeup now. Hi. So let's get into makeup, since I only have a few items of makeup. I really didn't try that much makeup this year, so now let's start with foundation. So the best foundation for me personally is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, and I have it in More medium 2.3, and I also have the other shade above this, I think medium 3. Sometimes I mix them, sometimes I'm 3, sometimes I'm in between. I buy 2 foundations in NARS all the time because they can never get my shade right. It's always too light yellow or too dark orange, so I like mixing. NARS foundation, that also mix amazing with MAC foundation. Game changer. The next one is concealer, and this is my Juvia's Place concealer. This concealer reminds me heavily of Tarte Shape Tape, and a few years back I was obsessed with Shape Tape. Still love Shape Tape, but this is in 16, and this is what I use. If I want a more lighter under eye, I'll go in with my LA Girl corrector for like a bright under eye. But that concealer is amazing. And Charlotte Tilbury. So this is Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Powder in medium 2, and this is how it looks. This is travel size one, and I use this under my eye, and this is definitely a flawless setting powder, darling. Like when you put this underneath your eye, it don't look cakey, it don't look overdone, it looks amazing. And I tried a lot of setting powder, especially under my eye. I find that a lot of setting powders dry out underneath my eye, especially because I have combination skin, and in this area of my face sometimes it's dry based on what I'm doing with my skin or the type of stuff that I'm putting on my face or what time of year it is. Don't sleep on Charlotte, okay? Because I was very much sleeping. Another Charlotte Tilbury thing that I have to mention is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. When I tell you, this is game changer. This is absolutely game changer. I love this. A lot of people say it's overrated, or a lot of people love it. You have to try it for yourself. This game changer. I layer this on, and then I sometimes put on a matte spray like this. It just do it for me every single time, every single time. And then blushes. Your girl have been heavily into blushes this year. So my Fenty cream, and you guys will see that your girl is not joking, my Fenty cream blush in 10 Rose Latte wore it down this year. Absolutely love it. And then the Rare Beauty liquid blush in Love. everything and more. Those are two of my favorite brands for liquid or cream blushes. Amazing. And then for powder brushes, Juvia's Place, they outdid themselves with these. I wish I could have found the next color at Ulta, but it was sold out, but I'm gonna get it. But this right here, super pigmented, it just gives. It gives what it needs to give. The orange, the rose pink, you can use this one or that one, or you can mix them together to get like a perfect rosy, orangey medium. Everything. If you have a bit of melanin in your skin, especially if you're like a darker complexion, a chocolatey woman, and you use this orangey one, it's gonna look delectable. It's gonna look amazing. Take it from me, it's gonna look great. So let's get into skincare, because this year I got into my skincare bag. I guess this is why I don't really like to wear makeup, or don't want to wear makeup like that a lot anymore. So let's talk about it. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is my Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Berry. I have another one of this in my purse. I have one in my gym bag. I have one in my bag. Like these, when Sephora had their sale, I stocked up. I got one and I was addicted after. These are absolutely amazing. They last on your lips. They keep your lips hydrated, plump, nice. Get it. Get it. Get it. So let's talk about my Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Essence. I feel like everybody needs some type of hydrating essence or hydrating toner, and last year this did it for me. I was trying to balance out my skin, get my moisture balance back into place, because I was using a lot of drying things, like a lot of benzoyl peroxide, a lot of salicylic acid to like keep my acne at bay and stuff, especially like how I was in the gym and sweating profusely. I was using a lot of those stuff for preventative measures, and I needed something that's going to balance out my skin, and this toner did it for me. I know everybody like the snail one. That one broke me the hell out. If you have sensitive skin, be careful of that snail one. It's the one that everybody raves about. I bought it, it broke me out. Be very, 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 very wary. So I got the Believe True Cream Aqua Balm, and I also got the Believe Moisturizing Balm. These, I bought them at the fall Sephora sale, and I haven't been able to put them down. So the Aqua Balm I use during the day, the moisturizing balm I use at night. Amazing. If you have sensitive skin, if your skin get clogged up by using like heavy moisturizers and stuff like that, I feel like these are the two best medium of moisturizer. This one is the moisturizing balm, super moisturizing and hydrating, and then the Aqua Balm is like a good gel base one that's amazing for like oily skin to combination, and this would be amazing for more of drier skin. Moisturizing balm would be more better for the dry skin. So, and then the discoloration correcting serum, baby, If you suffer from dark marks like I do, like it don't matter if I pop the pimple, it don't matter if I just leave the pimple, as long as my skin is raised, your girl is getting a dark spot, your girl is getting a mark on her face. I don't know what it is about my skin and it being so sensitive, but this discoloration correcting serum did it for me. I don't know what they put. They probably put creamy crack in here, and I would still buy it and put it on my face. Okay, this, if you suffer from dark marks, get it. Don't even think twice. Get it. This added into my already good skincare routine did it for me. I had hyperpigmentation all over my cheek, and if you guys watch my last skincare and oral care video, you'll see that my skin looks amazing. All of my dark marks are not gone, but this helped clear them the hell up. And now, because this have cleared them so good, I'm thinking about getting a chemical peel. And normally, you guys know I do my chemical peel myself, so if I do one, I'll definitely include it in a vlog or something. And then next is my ordinary 100% organic cold pressed rose hemp seed oil. If you guys don't know, rose hemp seed oil is the only oil that have been tested and proven to work for anti-aging. So now that it's a little bit more chilly, not even more chilly, it's cold in Florida at the moment, I love to use this at night to seal in my Believe moisturizing balm. So baby, those are the things that I absolutely love in 2022. So let's talk about event. For favorite event of 2022, definitely Rum Jungle. We went to Rum Jungle a couple of times and we absolutely loved our time there. If you're going there and you want to hear Caribbean or dancehall reggae music, go on a Friday. Chef kiss, top notch. My favorite outfit of 2022 was the one with the green skirt. You guys know my December outfit for Christmas, love that. The white dress that I got from Amazon, chef's kiss, love it. I'm gonna wear it again, go on vacation or something, I'm wearing that dress again. All of my New Year's outfit that I showed you guys, like last minute outfits, I'll link that video. Absolutely love those outfits. And then 2 gym fits from QQ. There's some 2 ribbed short gym shorts and top. I really don't wear them to the gym. I wear them more dressed down and casual, like if I'm going to the grocery store, I'm going to the park with the kids, I'm doing something casual and cute. I love wearing them. Throw a nice button up or a cardigan or something and go about my business. Those are my favorite. So a favorite hairstyle, I did my hair just like this when it were freshly done, and then I had like 2 little things at the front and I kind of twist up the bottom like how people do their dreads. It came out fire, looked good. And then Wiggins here, I did that 13x6 lace front curly hair from Wiggins and it ate. Okay, 8 left, no crumbs. Absolutely love that wig. So my favorite thing, so my watch, love this. It track my calories, track my steps. I can switch my music when I'm in the gym. Love my watch. This was under 25 bucks on Amazon. It was under $25 on Amazon. My gym gloves, absolutely love them. They have stand the test of time. In a few weeks, it would have been a whole year since I have those gloves. I actually bought new ones because it's time to give those a rest. They have holes. It's done their time. Okay, I absolutely love it and I recommend it. If you want something that's gonna last you like a year or more, those gym gloves are it. And then my gym bag, absolutely love my gym bag and all the compartments. my favorite movie. So Black Panther and Woman King were two of my favorite movies that I went out and saw in movie theaters. Absolutely amazing. And then for TV, BMF, Ruthless, Oval, TV shows. Oh, and last year I actually got into Bridgerton. I took 1 week and watched all the series, all the episodes, caught up on Bridgerton, and when I tell you I love it, I super love it. My biggest accomplishment as far as school is passing all my classes with A's and B's. I hate getting C's. I am a scholar at heart. I love academia. So passing all my classes with A and B, especially like my accounting class, I got a B in it. My accounting class before that, I got a C. I was pissed. But last semester, I got a B in my accounting class. I was super duper happy. As far as work, my Shein collaboration, and thank you to everybody that supports me, show me love, watch my video, watch my content, because without you guys I wouldn't have gotten that collaboration. I have a long-standing collab with Shein now for fashion content, and I am absolutely truly grateful, and I love working with Shein, and I love the fact that they're working with smaller YouTubers. So use my code for 15% off on Shein. And then as far as commentary go, Anika Towson, that was one of the commentaries that I did this year that really hit home for me. And then Donnelly Donaldson, the one with Spice, and those are my top 3 really. So those are all my favorite things from 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. And your skin kind of like builds up, heavy moisturizer and stuff, like builds up, and let me say, so those are my favorite things from 2023. No, so in today's, I can hear myself echoing. Our ceilings are so high. I actually need to get a mic, but I got the Belief True Cream Aqua Bar